Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make TikTok videos with different clips, and it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Creating TikTok videos with different clips involves combining multiple video segments into one cohesive video. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, launch the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen, then go to the video to start creating a new video. Press and hold the red record button to start recording your first clip. Release the button to stop recording the clip, then tap on the drop down and tap on save the video, then choose save with the watermark. Repeat this process to record multiple clips. After recording, tap the edit tool to proceed to the editing screen. Use the trim tool to cut each clip to your desired length. Drag and drop clips to rearrange their order, and also to add new clip, tap on the plus button, then choose video section, and here choose your clip, tap on it, then tap next to add it. As you can see, the new added clip is with the old clip. You can also use the drag to reposition it, but I prefer this way. So yeah. Now, to add effects and transitions, tap on the effects icon to add filters, stickers, and other visual effects. Use the effects button at the bottom of the screen to add transitions between clips. Now, tap the sound button at the bottom of the screen to browse and replace music from TikTok's library. Go to edit, then tap on the volume button to adjust the volume of the original audio and the added music. Watch your video to make sure everything looks good. Tap the next button, add the description, hashtags, and choose other posting options. Tap post to share your video on TikTok. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.